Introducing the sifWELD Evolution MTS300SYN and MTS400SYN from Weldability Sif, two fully digital, synergic, multi-process industrial welders, suitable for MIG, stick, and TIG welding applications. The MTS300SYN is a high-current 230-volt single-phase machine, while the MTS400SYN is a 500-amp unit that utilizes a 400-volt three-phase power supply to deliver a 400-amp output at 100% duty cycle. Both machines combine intelligent synergic and manual MIG welding and offer smooth and powerful genuine Lift-TIG and MMA performance. Featuring pictorial color LCD displays on both the power source and wire feed unit, they offer a simple, intuitive interface where you can adjust all the settings you need. In MIG manual mode, these include current, voltage, gas, arc force, burn back, and inductance. In MIG synergic mode, by selecting the material, MIG wire size, and gas type, the machines automatically provide optimal settings, while giving the user the ability to fine-tune any parameters, including settings for MIG brazing. And a supervisor lock is available for specific welding settings. Both units can be used in stick mode for welding with all popular types of electrode, and in TIG mode with genuine lift arc ignition on direct current for welding on steels, stainless, and copper. The optional 4-meter spool-on gun pushes the capability of these models even further, enabling tangle-free MIG welding of aluminium on small half-kilo spools. Supplied as ready-to-weld packages, in the box you'll find a SIF gun MIG torch with Euro plug, work return clamp, and gas regulator. Air-cooled as standard, a water-cooled package is available for the MTS400. If your high-current welding demands a reliable industrial machine, look no further than the sifWELD Evolution MTS300SYN or MTS400SYN. Learn more at sifweld.com.